Oh, dude!
Hey, it's Bey, and a few days ago, I scraped my 2-month-old 2019 Civic Type R. I can't believe that this is my very first video I'm making on my car. I'm pretty bummed out, and it was a stupid mistake, really. So, it happened at a Carl's Jr. My brother and I were meeting up some friends to go car cruising, and Carl's Jr. was our meeting place. I reverse parked right next to a curb, and the curb was on the right side if you were sitting in the driver's seat. When we were leaving, I totally forgot that I was parked right next to the curb, so when I was driving out, I turned a little too early and...
Oh, dude!
I scratched a lot of the side skirt, but most of the damage happened towards the end, and it bent inwards like this. I'm not sure how to fix this because the plastic pieces are bent now, so if you have a fix, please let me know. I also got some deep curb rash, and I'm in real deep. As you can see, a Sharpie marker doesn't really help much. You can't really see where I messed up my car from a good distance unless you know what to look for, but it still hurts my heart a lot. It really sucks, but to be honest, it could have been much worse. I was definitely crying on the inside, and maybe even a little on the outside too when it happened. I'm planning on at least trying to make the side skirt and rim look better soon because I'm too poor to replace them. I'm currently looking into getting some epoxy and paint to get the rims to look better. I'm not sure how to make the side skirt look better though. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. However, if anyone out there wants to send me some real carbon fiber side skirts along with some new rims, I'd be very happy to take them. I'll even make a video and give you a shout out. Wink wink. Welp, that's it. I hope you enjoyed a video of me telling a story instead of my usual videos. This is the saddest video I've made to date, but I needed a place to pour my feelings out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you do. Let me know if you want me to make more Civic Type R videos in the future, and I will definitely do so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.